morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Wednesday, November 11th, 2020 Ozarks Classroom, and I have three pledgers, and their names are If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart as we do our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now we'll go ahead and do the pledge to the Texas flag.
I honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
At this time, we ask that you remain standing for our moment of silence. Today, our moment of silence is dedicated to all of our veterans, since today, November 11th, is Veterans Day. So please remain standing for our moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please find a trusted adult and let them know how you feel. We do not have any birthdays in the house, so since there are no birthdays, happy unbirthday to each and every one of you. Our character education theme for the month of November is fairness. Today is also Veterans Day, and we will have a reading from our winner of the Veterans Day essay. And he's going to tell you his name.
Isaiah.
Okay, so we're going to have a reading from Isaiah Fernandez.
What does freedom mean to me? I ask myself. Well, freedom means a lot to me, I tell myself. Freedom is very prized and respected. Freedom gives people the gift to be joyful, social, and loving. Veterans gave people freedom, which helps heal society's wounds. The things that happened in the past will scar existence for all the time. Without freedom, this world would be unthankful, unjoyful, and unloving. Freedom helps life itself thrive throughout time and space. I would not be living in the building that I'm living in at this minute. Veterans got wounded and injured for the happiness and freedom of others. Soldiers will sooner become veterans like others. They're losing their lives for us. Give respect to soldiers and veterans. If it was not for the selflessness of soldiers and veterans, you would not be standing where you are today. You would not have the friends you do today. My cousin is a veteran. My uncle is a cop, and my other cousins are in training to be a veteran. Freedom is very prized. May God bless the soldiers, veterans, and the lost lives with love.
Good job. That was Isaiah Fernandez from Ms. Sebastian's class, and he was the winner of the Woodland Acres Veterans Day Essay Contest. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that reading. And we're not sure why he didn't win, because that was an awesome essay. We do have a couple of announcements. It is still National School Psychology Week, and like I said, Miss Easton is not always on campus, but if you do see her, please do wish her a happy National School Psychologist Week. PTA membership, you can still join PTA. PTA is our Parent and Teacher Association. We also have Brighter Bites today, and then today we have our parents coming, and they are going to sign the sign for No Place for Hate, and then tomorrow you guys will get some more information from Ms. Garza, and the students can go ahead and say the pledge and also sign the No Place for Hate. We also do have a monthly mobile this Friday, so go ahead and please remember that. All right, so that concludes our announcements with something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. And we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a great day. And on a side note, I did notice that a number of you were wearing your camouflage, so you guys look awesome. Thank you so much for choosing your free dress to go ahead and wear camouflage today in honor of our veterans.